Hey, what is up, YouTube? Today I've got a quick to the point review of the Easton Moxie T-ball bat. This one that I have here is the 24-inch. They make these in a 24, 25, or 26. They make them in 4 different colors as well. The Easton Moxie is rated at a drop 13, which makes it very, very light. And this is a T-ball rated bat, so it will not withstand the force if you start pitching balls to it. It definitely will damage the bat. It's a one-piece construction. Let's see here. Feels pretty evenly weighted. Not a lot of weight in the barrel or in the handle. It's pretty much even throughout. 24-inch should do a great job for a little 5-year-old, 6-year-old. Once you get to 7, you're probably going to want to jump up to a 26-inch bat or somewhere in there, maybe even 27-inch bat. Okay, now let's find out if this bat was worth the money. So, when you buy an Easton Moxie bat, you pay a little bit of a premium for this drop 13. The bat's supposed to be a little lighter than other T-ball bats. Normally, if you go to the store and you buy a T-ball bat, it's going to weigh in at somewhere in the area of 15 ounces, 14, 15 ounces. This bat being a drop 13 at 24 inches means that it should weigh 11 ounces. And that's what we paid for. Let's find out if we got what we paid for. We got our precision scale here, and it's zeroing out. It's been calibrated at 0 ounces. We got our bat here. Gonna set it on there and balance it. All right, step back. You can see nothing is holding it up, no strings, no nothing. Nobody's pushing on it, pulling on it. And let's actually take a look at what we get on the scale. 11.7 ounces. Okay, so what does that tell us? That tells us that Easton did not sell us a drop 13 bat. And this bat weighs more than 11 ounces. It weighs 11.7 ounces. So a little bit disappointed in that. It means that this bat is actually not a drop 13, it's a drop 12.5. And if I wanted a drop 12.5, I could have got it for less money. So definitely feeling a little bit ripped off right now. I do like the bat, and my daughter loves the appearance of it, which is obviously important to a 5-year-old girl. But yeah, got a little bit slighted by Easton, so not happy with that. Anyway, I think we'll be happy with the bat overall. And I think that's all I got today. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Be sure to help me out. Give me a like or a subscribe. That helps me buy ice cream for the kiddos. Have a good day.